Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you saw, in my case this device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. In order to do that we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display. Now we have to tap on advanced and find the screen timeout option. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got more options from which we can choose. So at the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest one, so the 30 minutes. In order to set the option, you have to simply tap on it. So let me pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.